Don't try any FF stories in real life. It's just an imagination. All content is my own. So please don't copy. Background picture is not mine. Voice is my own. Enjoy the FF and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. So let's get started. Authors, Evening in the Living Room. The tickling clock on the wall echoed in the silence. Van carefully placed dinner dishes on the table, glancing nervously towards Taehyung, who was deeply engrossed in his laptop. His sharp jawline was lit by the dim light of the screen, his expression unreadable. Van softly hesitant. Dinner is ready. Should I serve it for you? Taehyung without lifting his eyes. Just leave it there, authors. His tone was flat, neither harsh nor gentle, just cold. Vine swallowed the lump in her throat and placed the dishes neatly. She pressed her hand against her stomach for a brief second. The cramps had been getting worse, but she couldn't show it, not to him. Authors later that night, Van quietly made tea for Taehyung, hoping maybe, just maybe, a small gesture would soften his mood. She walked towards his study, where he was still typing, his eyes glued into the screen. Van, with a faint smile, I thought you might need this. You've been working so long. Author, she bent slightly to place the cup beside his laptop, but the sharp cramp twisted her stomach. Suddenly, her hand trembled and the hot tea spilled, splashing across the laptop keyboards. Taehyung is snapping furious. Why are you out of your mind? Authors, his voice thundered through the room. Vine froze, panic rushing in as she grabbed tissue to wipe the mess. Stammering, I am sorry, it was an accident, Taehyung angrily pulling the laptop away. Do you even realize what you've done? This is my work. Do you ever think before doing anything? Author, her hands shook, her eyes burning with tears. She refused to let fall. He didn't see the pain behind her mistake, only the damage to his laptop. Taehyung coldly, standing up, just stay away, don't touch anything. Authors, he stormed out of the study, leaving Vine standing in the silence, broken by her own helplessness. Authors, that night Vine couldn't bear to return to their bedroom. She curled up on the living room sofa, hugging her knees, silent tears soaking the cushions. The cramps in her stomach was, but the ache in her heart was heavier. Authors, the house was quiet, but inside her chest everything screamed. Vine whispering to herself, voice trembling, why does he hate me so much? I just wanted to care for him. Author, she cried until her eyes grew sore, until sleep finally claimed her, fragile, broken, and alone. Authors. The next morning, Taehyung dressed in his crisp suit, adjusted his tie, and walked briskly towards the front door. His expression was unreadable, as usual, but just as he passed through the living room, his steps halted. There on the floor, beside the sofa where Vine lay curled up, was a faint stain of the blood near her feet. Young, freezing, voice low but sharp. What the Vine? Authors, for the first time his cold eye flickered with something else, fear. He rushed towards her, kneeling down. Vine stirred weakly, her face pale, her breathing uneven. Young, shaking her shoulder, panicked. Vine, wake up, what happened to you? Authors, his hands trembled as he looked at the blood, his mind racing with possibilities. Was she hurt, injured, sick? For the first time since their marriage, the icy wall around his heart cracked. But Vine, half conscious, only mumbled softly. Vine, weakly, barely audible. I am fine. Authors, her words fragile yet stubborn, pierced him deeper than any silence. Young's chest tightened as he realized he was not fine at all, and neither was she. Authors, Young crouched beside Vine, his hands hovering helplessly over her. Young, shaking her shoulder, panicked. Vine, answer me. What's wrong? Where are you hurt? Authors, her eyelids fluttered, her lips dry and pale. She looked exhausted, as if she had not slept at all. Vine, whispering faintly, I am fine, really. Young, frustrated voice trembling. Fine. There's a blood on the floor, Vine. Do you think looks fine to me? Authors, he had shouted, but his voice was not cold. This time it was shaking, desperate. His heart raced as possibilities swarmed his mind, injury, illness, miscarriage. He didn't even know, and the thought that he didn't know anything about her hit him like a punch. Young, authors. Young quickly pulled out his phone, passing back and forth while glancing at her fragile form. Young, on call, urgent. Doctor, it's urgent. My wife, there's blood. She pale and she's not well. Please come immediately. Authors, the Young once shouted at her for spilling tea was now stumbling over his word in fear. He didn't care about his work, his laptop, his office, only the fragile woman on the sofa. He rushed back to her, kneeling. This is just the beginning. Don't miss what happened in part second. Stay tuned. Part 2 will reveal Young true feelings. Bye bye.